The sound of cultures, vocal pitch and volume across the world. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Cultural Understanding series. Today, we will delve into an intriguing aspect of nonverbal communication, the paralanguage. Specifically, we'll explore how different cultures perceive and use vocal pitch and volume. Let's dive in. Paralanguage refers to the vocal aspects of communication that accompany spoken words. It's not about what you say, but how you say it. Imagine someone saying, "That's great," in a flat tone versus an excited tone. The words are the same, but the message can be vastly different. Vocal pitch can signal many things, from emotional states to social status. Asian cultures. In some Asian cultures, a high pitch can signify politeness, especially when speaking to someone of higher status or age. Western cultures. A deeper voice, especially in males, is often associated with authority and confidence. However, raising one's pitch can express excitement or surprise. African cultures. Vocal pitch varies widely, but in some cultures, varied pitch during storytelling is essential for conveying emotions and grabbing attention. Volume, like pitch, can significantly change the meaning of what's being communicated. Latin American and Southern European cultures. It's common for people to speak at a higher volume, especially during passionate discussions or celebrations. It doesn't necessarily mean they're angry or arguing. North American and Northern European cultures. Speaking loudly might be seen as aggressive or disruptive, especially in formal settings. Middle Eastern cultures. A raised voice can be a sign of enthusiasm or urgency. It's essential to gauge the context to understand the emotion behind it. 1. Stay observant. When you're in a new cultural setting, pay attention to how locals modulate their voice. This will give you clues about appropriate vocal tones. 2. Ask questions. If you're unsure, ask someone you trust about the cultural norms related to vocal pitch and volume. 3. Practice. Like any other language skill, mastering the nuances of vocal pitch and volume takes practice. So, engage in conversations, observe reactions, and adjust accordingly. And that wraps up our exploration of paralanguage, specifically focusing on vocal pitch and volume across cultures. Remember, understanding these subtle cues can greatly enhance your communication skills, making you a more effective and empathetic speaker. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, happy learning!